Did they?
I think they play, somebody played about Saturday.
I heard that. Coach, how you doing?
Hey, I'm doing good.
Tell us a little bit about the BC Rain girls.
So far so good. Gritty group of girls. This is my first year there, so this is all a learning process for me and them. Them learning my coaching style, me learning, the way the girls play. But a good group of kids so far. Very, very gritty. Like to get after it.
LC Harris. Let me beat everybody to the punch. First year coach, Coastal Alabama Player of the Year. How receptive, and I've already seen it in the fall league, to the conditioning process that you guys have brought in. How receptive is she?
She is doing awesome. Very humble. Whatever it is that we're doing, skill work, conditioning, she's leading in everything. So it's great to be able to have that, knowing that she was Player of the Year. And with me being a new coach, her being just receptive and open and welcoming has been great. So no complaints.
Well, knowing she played in our kind of sports fall league. Had the opportunity to see her, but I saw her last season. She definitely peaked at the right time. Of course, you wasn't the coach at that time. What do you expect out of her this year?
I expect her to excel exceedingly, do better than what she's did in the past. And again, I haven't even seen her play before, so I'm in for a treat. So my job right now is just to continue to push her, and again, hope that she exceeds. Like I said, she's very humble and open to everything that I've put, in front of her. So great things.
Coach Hill, for those who are not familiar with you, talk about your background, where you played high school, and your coaching experience that allowed you to become a first-year head coach at BC Rain.
Graduated from not BC Rain, Baker High School. Continued my career at St. Petersburg College, a junior college, in Florida. And then I went on to Limestone College, a Division II in South Carolina. Came back here for a year and taught at BC Rain and coached as an assistant under Coach Gray. After that, I moved back to Florida, coached under Denisha Davison at a junior college for 3 years. So I've seen a lot at different levels, been around a lot of different coaching styles, so I've just kind of picked, what I like from here and there. And I think just having the opportunity to move around gives me a lot to bring to BC Rain.
Playing in the Final Four when you played at Limestone College, would you have ever dreamed that you would possibly be coaching and have the opportunity to actually probably go to the Final Four here in Alabama?
To be honest, not at all. I'm taking it one day at a time. One day at a time. Just trying to think over the years that I've coached as assistant and just put it all together as a head coach.
And who will be your assistant coach?
Or
coaches?
Coaches, Coach Simpson at BC Rain and Jewel Hill, younger sister.
Your younger sister will be on your staff as well.
Yes, sir.
Being a first-year head coach, not really having an opportunity to know this particular group of girls, did you reach out to Coach Gray and him give you any tidbits or pass along any advice, or did you ask him to kind of give you a rundown of your personnel before you had an opportunity to meet them for yourself?
Yes, yes, sir. And when I was coaching at St. Petersburg College, he, of course, was, letting me know about his upcoming players. So I kind of had somewhat of an idea, and I'm still learning, so I reach out to everybody. Um, so I have spoken with him a couple of times just to give me some insight, attitudes, body language, how I can communicate to the girls, how they're going to be receptive to what I say, Coach Thorne. So I reach out. It's again a learning process.
How awesome is it to have your sister working with you? And did you ever imagine that growing up as well? Because it's kind of big sister would whoop up on little sister. Did little sister ever beat big sister on the basketball court? And do you guys still have your one-on-ones?
We don't. My bones don't work like they used to. But she has beaten me a couple times. She's a guard. I say that all the time. I was mainly in the post. But I think it's great to have her on my coaching staff because she gives me a different eye as far as, guard, skill work, things like that. Never imagined it. We played high school for 1 year together, but never imagined having this opportunity. But I can imagine bickering. I can. But at the end of the day, I think she's going to support me along with Coach Simpson 100%.
We appreciate it.
One last thing. When ESPN Hoop Girls first came out, they came out with a list of top players in Alabama, and you were one of those players. What advice can you give FC Harris on just being level-headed, through the recruitment process?
Already been sharing some tidbit information with her. Just, to stay humble, to not come out of character, stay poised. And during the recruiting process, I'm just trying to figure out right now what coaching style would work best for her. What avenue, what division, scholarships being offered, all of that information, because behind the scenes as an assistant coach, it's more than just basketball. It's more than just basketball. So just making sure that she's level-headed and just making the right decisions.
And then, you went JUCO when you was one of the top players in the country. So going JUCO is not a bad option. It's not a bad option. And I just told her, I said, whatever you decide, whatever you choose, just make sure that you know what you're getting into. And if you want to get D1, go D1, D2, NAIA, JUCO, I'm going to support you in whatever that you do. And if D1 is her goal, then that's what we got to shoot for. We're gonna work together there. So that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.